Madison's public schools are facing up to $38 million in new costs next year, and district leaders say the state needs to step up. The Madison Metropolitan School District is in early budget planning for the coming school year. The district is projecting between $30 million and $38 million in new cost pressures driven by employee compensation, health insurance, and a $62 million gap in special education funding that the state doesn't cover. On top of that, Madison expects to receive $7 million less in state aid next year.
Is the legislature and governor going to come back in a special session and provide more state funding, right? So that's right now, that's the biggest question mark we have for the 26-27 budget.
The district says the preliminary budget will be finalized in the coming months.